Oh shit, tie up on the beat and he killing it.
So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. Tell her roll with me and come and have a good time. It's Marv on the beat, I'm still fucking up rhymes. Fuck the past, kid, the rhyme stuck in them times. 6 years by, man, I swear down time flies. Look, blue skies, I don't chill with you guys. Chill with few guys, nowadays choose wise. Fuck your stereotypes, making music alike. Chose the wrong path, kid, and I ain't choosing it twice. Only smash it these days, and I'm about to demonstrate. If shit gets sticky, I see through it like some sellotape. You acting like you only have to go and bell your mate. We'll go and bell him then, and then we'll have to tell him straight. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. So I've landed in the club like I'm a flying saucer. Jump on the stage, I've got pages like a fucking author. Got your missus checker man like I'm a after sorter. Got the flavours tutti fruity like I'm club enforcer. Want a horse up on the bar just flying in the Porsche. Got the Lizzie in my pocket about to withdraw her. Got your bitch and she be dripping like I'm spilling water. Think you're clever keeping boxes like a fucking hoarder. So we pull up to the club and tripping on the Lucy, sparking up some major flavours, they be tasting juicy. No one wrapping up the weed and I ain't talking sushi. Grab the mask like Halloween if man are acting spooky. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping like it's nothing, yeah we got it raining. So we pull up to the club and everybody's raving, thinking about the dope spankers bro we should be saving. Maybe add a little something, now we feel amazing. Got bottles popping